Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are looking to stretch your dollars on groceries and fuel, stick around because today we're diving into Kroger Rewards World Elite Mastercard. Let's find out if it's the perfect card for you. First up, the perks. With this card, you earn 5% cashback on mobile wallet purchases for the first year, 2% cashback on dining and streaming service, and a whopping 1% cashback on all other purchases. But here's the kicker: you get up to 5 times fuel points on eligible Kroger purchases. That's serious savings at the pump. Now, let's talk fees and APR. The good news: no annual fee. However, the APR ranges from 18.99% to 29.99% variable. So it's best to pay your balance in full each month. One thing I love about this card is how easy it is to redeem rewards. Your cashback is automatically applied as a statement credit for your Kroger shopping. It's a seamless and hassle-free. But there are a couple of downsides. While the fuel rewards are fantastic, the cashback categories are limited compared to other cards. And if you don't shop at Kroger often, you might not maximize the benefits. So, is the Kroger Rewards World Elite Mastercard worth it? If you're a regular Kroger shopper and drive often, it's a no-brainer. But if you want more versatile cashback options, you might want to explore other cards. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.